Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate tracking with YouTube UTM links step by step clearly. To transfer affiliate tracking with YouTube UTM links, start by familiarizing yourself with UTM parameters. These are tags you add to your URLs to track performance in analytics. Begin with creating your affiliate link if you haven't done so already. This link should direct users to the product or service you are promoting. Next, access a UTM builder tool, such as Google's Campaign URL Builder. In the tool, input your affiliate link in the designated URL field. For the campaign source, enter YouTube to identify where the traffic originates. In the campaign medium field, use video or social to specify the type of content. Label the campaign name with a specific name related to your video or promotion. Optionally, you can add other parameters such as campaign term or content for further tracking specifics. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, generate the UTM link. Copy the newly created UTM link for use in your video description. Now, head over to your YouTube channel and navigate to the video you want to edit. In the video description, paste the UTM link where you want it to appear. Make sure the link is clear and easy for viewers to click on. You can also add a brief explanation about what the link leads to. Save the changes to your video description. Next, promote your video across your social media channels to drive traffic. Monitor the performance of your link using your analytics tool. Check for user engagement and conversion rates through the UTM parameters you set up. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data to optimize your traffic flow. This process allows you to effectively track the performance of your affiliate promotions on YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.